Hello guys, my name is Rupal from Lexus and Company. Today I'll tell you about an interesting international law case which is known as Barcelona Traction Light and Power Company Limited, also known as Belgium versus Spain case. The overview of the case is as follows. Belgium had ceased pursuing the aforesaid case on the account of efforts to negotiate a friendly settlement. The negotiation broke down, however, and Belgium filed a new application on 19 June 1962. The following March, Spain filed four preliminary objections to the court's jurisdiction, and on 24 July 1964, the court delivered a judgment dismissing the first two but joining the other to the merits. After filing within the time limits requested by the parties of the pleadings on the merits and on the objections joined thereto, hearings were held from 15 April to 29 July 1969. Belgium sought compensation for the damage claimed to have been caused to its national shareholders in the Barcelona Traction Light and Power Company Limited as a result of acts contrary to the international law said to have been committed by the organs of the Spanish state. Spain, on the other hand, submitted that the Belgian claim should be declared inadmissible or unfounded. In a judgment delivered on 5th February 1970, the court found that Belgium had no legal standing to exercise diplomatic protection of stakeholders in a Canadian company in respect of measures taken against the company in Spain. It also pointed out that the adoption of the theory of diplomatic protection of shareholders as such would open the door to competing claims on the part of the different states, which could create an atmosphere of insecurity in the international economic relations. Accordingly, and insofar as the company's national state, Canada, was able to act, the court was not of the opinion that the just standi was conferred on the Belgian government by considerations of equity. The court accordingly rejected the Belgium's claim. So that was it about this landmark judgment. If you have any particular doubts, you can comment on below. Thank you.